Welcome to the Easy Tech Fixit channel, and this is a quick video to talk about browsers that are available for Android tablets and phones. One of the things that a lot of people don't know is that the crappy browser that many manufacturers actually put on your phone can be replaced by something else. If you have a PC, if you have different devices and you use a browser, well, you can most of the time have that same browser on your device, your phone also, and your tablets on Android. And the result is that you can sync the favorites or the bookmarks. You can, of course, have all the results of what you did on one browser and have them on the other. It is nice to have a good browser. Unfortunately, a lot of manufacturers put crappy things that they make, that they try to, put in your phone to have you use their own devices and their own software, but it's not always a great experience. Of course, on the top of the list is the Google Chrome browser. So what you do is you simply go to the Play Store, the Google Play Store on your device, and type in the name of your browser, your favorite browser. So if it's Google Chrome that you use everywhere, why not download Google Chrome for Android and have that installed on your phone as a default browser. Of course, Firefox, Microsoft Edge, if you use Windows 10, is also available. Pretty much every major manufacturer of a browser has a version for Android. Opera has one. So, you can choose your favorite browser and choose what you want and replace that browser if you don't find that it's really good. That comes default with many, many phones. So just go to the Google Play Store and check it out. Of course, if you use a browser, often like Google Chrome, for example, and you have a Gmail account, often you actually sign in to your Gmail with Google Chrome. Well, sign in with that same account on your phone and you will see all the bookmarks and you will see your search results. All are going to be synced with your device, which is making browsing even more interesting when you do so. Same thing with Edge or Firefox. So why not change that crappy browser with something better? If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us a thumbs up. Thank you for watching.